This is standing outside the door here of our unit today, looking at this blizzard that come through here last night. It is just blowing. You can see the streets are pretty well empty. Face right now, that's up the street. That's our toddy building and our to the left grocery store. But it is just, as they like to say in these parts, hellacious. Walk up here a little bit and show you what it's like. Well, you can hear me in the of our street, looking the other way, north to south. This way is east to west. Looking out towards the residential area of the city there, up on the rim. It's cold. The temperature. We got a clock right down there. See anything? I'm gonna walk down there, get a little closer. Give you some idea what this temperature is at this time of the day. And the temperature gauge at the local bank here at the corner, and kind of hard to see in this haze. Snow. Boy, I can see that on my screen, getting all weatherized. It's 10:55, positive 6 degrees. See if we can a little bit. Jesus, excuse my jolly, but it is just cold. City offices. Yeah, here's a sign above the weather, above the Bremer Bank, and I don't even know if you can see it, but it says 10:55 a.m. plus 6 degrees. So that's about it. There's the churches over there. Catholic church over there in the background. You can see the steeple. That's I think the Presbyterian. They got a whole line of churches. The old stone church. I forget the name of that down there. But boy, it is cold. I don't wear any gloves, but they are starting to freeze. As a matter of fact, this is and you can see. Excuse me, I gotta get in here before I freeze to death. Mercy sakes. Mercy sakes. Okay, well, maybe we'll upload this and send it out to you a little later. Have a good day.